Today I'm going to show you my Imaginext toys. And first we're starting with the dinosaurs. And this one, it's a T-Rex.
Does it shoot some bullets?
Yeah.
Ooh, I got my hand. Good. What else?
And then we have a Brontosaurus, and his mouth closes and opens.
And he walks, doesn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Show me your next one.
And then this one has an axe. And it says that.
Cool. Show me the next one.
And then we have a Brontosaurus. And then it has a rope, and then you twist this to make it come up.
Mm-hmm. Does he shoot his bullets too?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Okay, want to show me that one?
And then this is the dragon. Look at you press this, and then the wings flop like that. And then
Cool.
see this button? It says that
Oh,
to
cool.
eat things.
What about this one?
This one, it opens his mouth too, like that one, and it can grab things like that, and then it drills things with this.
Mm-hmm.
And then that one.
Cool.
And then this one, it does this to grab things.
Oh, I see.
And his mouth opens.
Okay.
And this is the Batman. And this is the bad guy, the penguin. And look at. And he also shoots some bullets.
Show me. You can push it down. Let's see. There you go. There's one more bullet in there. Show me how it goes. Cool. And this one you can get wet, huh? This one goes in the water.
And this one, it's the Batman one. And look at, this makes it go like this, and it comes out.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Show me that one.
This one. And this one, look at that guy. See, he turns to a green skeleton.
Do it again. Turn it off and on again. Oh, do it again. Cool.
And this one, he opens and shuts the jail.
Good job. Okay, show me some of these ones. What do these guys do?
This guy, he opens it like that and that.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, he opens that for his motorcycle.
Oh, the back thing opens. Let me see. I can't see it. There it is back there opening. Uh-huh. What's over there?
The green treasure.
Oh, yeah.
And they lock it into the bad guy. Can't get it.
Mm-hmm. Show me some more parts.
And then his bat's by him, and he's sitting right there by the bat shed.
Okay. What about this?
This
Mm-hmm.
makes a noise.
Oh, he drives.
Mhm.
I think he'd drive better not on the carpet, huh? Oh, yeah.
He does drive.
What's inside there?
Batman.
Batman. What about this?
That?
What does that do?
That's just the
Oh, the elevator. Oops. Okay, show me the next one.
Monsters Inc.
Oh, Monster Inc.
Look at Mike can turn them.
Oh.
And then this one can do the other one.
Mm-hmm.
And look at Shelly does these.
Are you guys enjoying this, Zach and Chris?
Yeah.
It's fun to
Look at
watch.
this spins. And this is the mail saw. And this can go there.
Oh, yeah. And it can go in that too, right? The green thing?
Mm-hmm.
Inside there.
And inside here too.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And this is Toy Story. And Buzz drives in this ship. And look at Buzz. The barrel. Look at, you press this button and the barrel drops.
Oh, out of the pig.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Cool. Okay, what's next?
The jets.
Ooh, do you love the jets?
Mm-hmm.
You have a lot of jets.
Look at,
Ooh, that one shoots.
where did they go?
What's next? That one?
Mm-hmm.
Show me what it is. Cool.
And he has saws to cut.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, its mouth opens and eats.
It's like a
shark jet. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And this one, it flaps like a bird.
Mm-hmm. We have the little one. What about the little one?
The little one, this one, does this.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one, the bullet. So you have to do that. And look at. Oh, look at.
You shot me.
This is awesome. This could do.
What's next? This one?
Oh yeah, that's cool. And look at. These open and shut. And then look at.
Wait, do that again. I didn't see it very well. Do it again. Oh, that's cool.
And then look at.
Oh, yeah. Okay, show me the next one.
This guy has two pet doggies. And look at that guy's holding it. And look at. He stands behind it and then he opens it to shoot bad guys.
Oh, I see. Show me that.
The rocket ship?
Yeah.
And this opens.
What is it? Show me this.
And this one opens too. And this one.
Show me how the wings go in and out. I didn't see that.
You have to press them in and you use this one to get them.
Ah, cool. Okay.
And
Show me the
then
next
this
ones.
shoots.
Okay. What's next?
The robots.
The robots.
And look at, he stands here and he has a cast and then he also.
What does he do when he spins? What happens when he spins?
The Look what this could do.
Oh, that's cool. What's inside there?
Look at the watch.
Here, finish showing me what these guys do.
These guys,
Mm-hmm.
These are aliens. And they can. And then
Here's another alien too.
I know, he's a big one.
Yeah.
And look at this one. He can shoot.
Nope, he shot me too.
And look at, he can grab.
Uh-huh. What about the other two?
This one can do the same thing. And this one,
Does
look
that one
at,
have a bullet to shoot in him? Let's look.
no, but look at, he can grab things and then he hammers and fixes things. And he also can drill a big hole. And he can also clean and then cut pieces of wood to make dinosaur wood. And then look at, he can save cats out of trees. And then,
That's pretty good.
and then this one can dig like, it digs big piles of dirt.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then this one, he opens his mouth and he can eat an alien like this. He eats them.
What about this one?
This one, he goes with the pirates. He's a dragon. He breaks the pirate ship. And then this one has to save the day by fighting the dragon.
Oh.
And
Show me what the pirates do.
This one, you spin this to do the anchors. And this guy does that. He can open things so the people can get off. And these
Is that
are the
called
big
walking
cannons.
the plank?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the
The
cannon.
cannons. Uh-huh.
hmm
How do these work?
The guy goes like that.
Oh.
And then this is the treasure.
Mm-hmm. What kind of shirt are you wearing? Show me your shirt.
A pirate shirt.
Oh. Is that what you want to be when you grow up?
Yep.
Yeah.
Mhm.
But he's gonna be a real pirate at Halloween.
Oh, at Halloween we could be a pirate too.
Oh.
Is that an awesome shirt?
And look at the sword.
Okay, show me the rest of your guys.
And look at,
Sure.
look at this guy holds on, and then this one makes it open, and then look at, they shoot.
Oh, that's cool.
And
What
then
about
look
the
at-
rest of those guys? Oh, there's
It
more?
hooks onto the things if somebody's falling.
Uh-huh.
And look at this guy. He fights with the other guy.
With something and an axe, you will get sliced in half with an axe.
Any more guys you want to show? Oh, that's a cool guy. What does he do?
Pirate at Halloween that
He
is real.
presses this, and then he flies.
Oh. Okay, show me the rest of these guys. What else do you have over here? Over here?
Mhm.
Those ones? Okay.
This guy, he's a ninja. And the flag, he goes and waves the flag.
Uh-huh.
And these are the guys that ride the horses. And look at, this is how they ride them. Like that. That's how they run.
And let me take a look at the horses. The horses are pretty cute.
hmm
Any other toys you want to show me about?
Yeah, the lion.
Oh, the lion. Okay.
Look at, you press this to make his mouth open up and eat and fight with guys. But it's
How about the
strong.
eagle? That eagle's kind of cool.
The eagle, it's half bird and half eagle.
Half lion?
Yeah, half lion, half eagle.
And look at, it can grab this one and then take it somewhere.
Which is your favorite of all these?
I like the pirates.
You like the
Because
pirate?
they have swords and knives and stuff. And Shredder.
Yeah. What else do you like?
That, and the Batman, and the dinosaurs, and the jets.
So pretty much all of them, huh?
Mhm.
Yeah. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.